Today's been a tough day at work because I've just been thinking about this all day. Ooh, I'm here for this. We're going to take it out today. I want to freaking drive it, okay? I want to drive it. I want to experience this Look at this paint. Oh my golly, so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, jump right into this, fellas. She's dusty, but she's freaking ready to freaking go. I'm going to have to cut a hole in my, my dang old freaking, my license plate to fit on there, but that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal at all. Okay. So, now it's 62 degrees outside, so it's going to be very easy to start this girl. All right. Woo! Okay, we're in neutral, right? Yes, yes we are. All right, let's do it. Dang. Not bad. Man, I'm gonna have to get out of vvti if this is how cams sound in non-vvti heads. I'm gonna have to get another head for Icebox. Or maybe that's why. Goddamn idling at 31 degrees advanced. No wonder it's running like that. That's crazy. It sounds wild. All right, let's do it. Check out Jared. Let's go. Do a nice little cruise. Alright guys, so we are not going to be doing any pulls in this video. The car is still on pump gas, for one. And for two, as a stock bottom end, I don't like it. I don't want to do that yet. Alright. So this thing also has no brake master, or not, it has no booster. This is a full straight cut race dog box. So this is going to be way louder than the one in Rice Box. like mine. You know it's getting low on fuel when it starts to go make weird noises. Awesome, bro.
Alright, I was a little nervous because I saw some smoke, but it's just oil in the cover. I can't remember which car oh yeah, it was the Supra. The silver car did that for a long time. That's because I was leaking oil, and it leaked oil all over everything. But yeah, so that's what that was. These brakes are pretty damn good, actually. This whole freaking car is amazing.
I didn't even realize it. I forgot that he said the speedo worked. Right there beside RPM. It's still a little bit off, but it's pretty straightforward. It's only a couple mile per hour off, but that's okay. I am ecstatic. I'm not gonna lie though, being on 91, I'm starting to get a migraine, so we're gonna have to do some adjustment here or something. That's awesome. All right, we got our daily. All right, that was light throttle, light throttle. That's all I got for you guys. That's all I got for you guys.